Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix error code SS06 on Snapchat quickly and easily so you can log back into your account without any trouble. This error usually happens when Snapchat detects suspicious activity or too many login attempts from your device or network. First, wait for a few hours before trying again, because sometimes the issue is temporary and resolves on its own. Next, switch your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try mobile data, or vice versa. This helps if your IP address has been temporarily blocked. After that, turn off any VPN or proxy service, as Snapchat often blocks logins coming from hidden or unusual locations. You should also clear the app cache or reinstall Snapchat completely to remove any corrupted data causing the issue. Another useful step is to reset your password, even if you remember it, as this can refresh your account security. Finally, make sure your app is updated to the latest version from the App Store. After following these steps, the error should be resolved, and you should be able to access your Snapchat account normally again. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.